Welcome back to another episode, everybody. Today we are out in Sister Bay. We got up here. We're going to try to get on a good smallmouth bite. We just got to our first spot. I didn't film much because we just got up here and it's about, I don't know, 2:30ish. So we're going to try to get on an evening bite here. We're kind of on a flat point, or a point that comes out on a big flat here. And we're just going to try to see if we can find some smallies up on these points here. Thinking about doing like a Ned rig, maybe tossing that little tube thing that I threw around for smallmouth in an earlier video. And see what happens here. So I'm pretty jacked about it and just ready to fish. So we'll see you guys on the GoPro. I don't know if you guys can see that, but right now we're in like 8-9 foot of water and you just see all the rock down there. I mean, you'd think smallies would be up here.
What do you got on?
Check and see. This is kind of the back of a bay, right?
Yeah.
11 feet.
Oh,
Did you get bit?
I don't know if it was a bite or not. It tugged back on me pretty good. Yep, there we go.
Yeah? Yep. I'm reeling up. Hold on. Is it good? Oh yeah. God, yes. Oh God, James, that's a. I think he's pretty big. Oh God, dude, I think it's a giant. Oh, it's a giant. Oh, you gotta work him a little more.
Yep.
It's a giant smallie.
All right, you ready?
Yeah, that's a giant.
Hold on. Coming up.
I can't see. Alright, gonna have to really work him. Oh God. There he is. That's a good one. Oh, he's fighting good. What a giant. Oh my God, he's gotta be a giant. Look at that sucker. Where's the That's a giant on that little hair jig, huh?
Yep. Get that out of there.
Holy crap, what a toad. Where's the scale?
In that center corner.
What we got? What a tank of a smallmouth here. Finally. We've been searching and searching and finally come across this just a beaut of a smallmouth. And get the weight on him. He's got to be 4.
314.
It's kind of showing 314. Well, still a really good smallie.
Right,
Nevertheless.
Hang on, we'll let you go.
See you later, bubs. Look at him go. Love that clear water. Dang! Alright guys, so you just seen it. That's the first fish of the evening. We just got here. I'm sorry if it's windy, but we have been searching. We've been out here for, I don't know, a few hours now, and we've been searching for bass, trying to find a good transition, trying to find some warm water. We pulled up into this bay. We found a good transition line. James was preaching the sand to rock transition, and finally we found one with some pretty warm water and nailed that 3-pound smallie out of there. So that's a good smallie. So I'm excited. I'm jacked. We're gonna get back on this transition line and see if we can't make this evening even better. Oh, I'm jacked, so stay tuned. Another one? Holy Christ! Ooh. A little bit smaller, it looks like, but oh. There you go.
Right.
Jeez.
bad one. Get a picture with him.
Yeah, he ain't bad at all. Bye, buddy. Damn it, another one on his head. He hit like closer to that transition though, it looked like.
Yeah, he hit right on the transition.
Maybe they don't want this tube, I don't know. Maybe I should bust the swim jig out.
Try it.
Just got bit. Yep. There he is. That's good. It's a real good smallie. Yes. Boom! Dude, that's a tank. Oh,
that's a big one.
What a beast! Look at that. Oh, Sister Bay Smallie on the tube, baby. Look at that sucker. Oh my God, bro. Dude, he hammered it. Oh, I was hoping we'd catch him like this. Oh, players. What a tank. Oh. Look at that tank of a fish. Let's weigh him. Got it?
Yep. What are you guessing?
He's got to be 4.
Attaboy.
4, 6. 4, 6, baby. We should put him in the live well.
Yep.
What a tank, bro. Oh, man. What a beast. Look at him. Put this beauty back. 4, 6, right? 4, 6 on it?
4, 6.
What a beauty. Get it back here. There he goes. Woo. Alright guys, we're gonna pack up, check one other spot, and then just for tomorrow's sake, that's pretty much gonna wrap up the video, guys. I will talk to you guys on the big camera and just talk about it a little bit. Alright, welcome back everybody. So, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I did record an outro for that video, but unfortunately, it was really windy on the way back when I was trying to film it, and the audio is just horrible, absolutely horrible. So, I was like, I need to obviously talk to you guys about what I was using. So I want to talk about the setups that we were using and kind of why we were at where we were. In this particular video that you guys just seen, we got up to Door County, Sister Bay area around 2 o'clock. We got on the water around 2:30, 3 o'clock. So we didn't have a ton of time in the evening to fish. And it was also our first time ever fishing that area. So we got up there and basically it was just trying to find fish. And once we found them, we found a little school of them. It wasn't huge. We found more fish the next day. But it was our first time fishing out there. So we found some fish, and I did want to talk about the setups that we were using for catching those fish. So the first setup, and you guys have seen it in the last 2 videos, is the ALX Buzz 7 rod. It's a medium power fast action rod, great for light Texas rig setups. Pretty much that's what I was throwing, was this tube here on a 1/4 ounce tungsten weight with a 4/0 wide gap hook. That worked great for bouncing across the rocks. I was just basically dragging the rocks, had no problems getting, had no snags with it whatsoever. It worked really well. The big ticket was the black hair jig. That's what we were using. We were using the black hair jig, which was an 1/8 ounce hair jig. We were using that on a medium light spinning gear. So we were using a medium light rod, probably 7.5 foot, with a 5:1 to 1 or 5:2 to 1 gear ratio spinning reel, and that pretty much was just on really light line, guys. Tossing a hair jig, an 1/8 ounce hair jig, it's a really light lure, so you need really light line and a really light setup. For some reason, the hair jig is the ticket up there, guys. If you're going to be in that area, I'd suggest just fishing a hair jig the whole entire time. I know ALX Rods on their website has some really nice medium light rods. I'm going to be picking up a few myself. But in that video, we were using, my father-in-law, he uses a lot of 13 fishing rods and reels. So that's what we were using for the rods and reels. For the hair jigs was 13 fishing, but the medium rod where I actually caught the biggest smallie was on the ALX rods. But like I said, I'm going to link everything in the description below if you want to go check out ALX rods. Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. We do have another video coming here on Sunday, and that's going to be more smallies. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Remember to like and subscribe, and until next time, keep fishing on.